Once you've completed your report ready for use, or more likely ready for user testing, you will need to publish it. Publishing your report will make it available for use. You don't need to worry about the coding such as HTML, JavaScript, SQL and others, because it is all created automatically. All you will need to do is to find the links to open a report and then use them accordingly. During this tutorial, we will cover the process. From the Reports dashboard, ensure that you have the report you want to publish selected. Notice that prior to initial publication, the version of the report will be 0.1 and the published version is of course blank. Also notice that the link button is disabled. We'll see the significance of that button soon. To publish your report, all you need to do is click the Publish button. Once that's done, you will see that the latest version and the published version of the report is now 1.0. You will also see that the link button is now enabled and the Publish button is disabled. Your report is now ready to use, but you will need to distribute links to open your report, and those links can be found by clicking the Link button. There are a number of different options available here. The link option can be used to open the report. The HTML link option is commonly used for embedding a link to the report in a web page. This is probably the most commonly used option. The embed option can be used for embedding a report into a web page so that a new instance opens when the web page is opened. The preload option is also used to embed a report into a web page, but the difference here is that the web page won't open until the report is loaded. The external call option is an advanced feature that can be used to pass data from a web page into a report. Check the help guide for further details. Whichever option you decide to use, simply copy the code from this page and distribute it as required. Do be aware though, that in order to view a report, a user must have a full or basic license in your account.